Welcome to the Smart Vid. Today we're making cornbread with real corn kernels, lots of love, and oh yeah, a pretty good story about us driving through the South United States in a Chevy Caprice. Nothing beats a good country ride through the South in a 1986 Chevy Caprice Classic. As we traveled through Georgia, we had to stop through Savannah and get some Southern comfort food, where we absolutely fell in love with our recipe today, and here we go. To the bowl of a stand mixer, you add in a cup or 120 grams of fine cornmeal and 120 grams or 1 cup of flour, 65 grams or 1/3 cup sugar, 8 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt, and 10 grams or 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. To make the best cornbread, whisk 1 medium egg and slowly drizzle in 80 milliliters or 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Let those two ingredients emulsify before adding 250 milliliters or 1 cup of milk. Add all of that to your stand mixer and continue to mix. But don't overdo it, you don't want the cornbread tough. Wipe down the sides to make sure everything gets incorporated and go ahead and let it rest. Slowly pour in the corn kernels and fold those kernels back into the cornbread batter. Preheat the oven to 200°C or 400°F. And when we're set, add parchment paper to the bottom of a heated skillet and add in your batter. To be specific, it's a 23 centimeter or 9-inch skillet. And before it even goes into the oven, it's looking pretty good. Carefully take your hot skillet and corn batter and throw that in the oven and let it bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes is up, enjoy that golden brown cornbread that looks restaurant style. You can go ahead and check for doneness, and once you've made sure it's done, go ahead, give it a flip, take off the parchment paper, and go ahead, flip one more time before cutting in and enjoying. This recipe is super quick and easy and goes perfect with your Thanksgiving dinner, or even by itself with some honey butter. Just make sure you cover it and take care of it, or else you won't find any leftovers the next day. Dream it, learn it, do it.